Okay, this is not the most user-friendly camping mattress in the world, but it is super comfortable, and I got it for a good price on Amazon. It's a 5-inch thick foam mattress. It's amazingly comfortable. But the trick with camping is you've got to fit it through the doorway of these little openings of these little tents. Let's see how easy it goes in there. This mattress was featured on another YouTube video I posted about van conversion, living in your van and building a bed platform in the back. That's what this mattress was bought for. And I actually slept on it successfully in the back of the van, so I already know it's really comfortable. But getting it in here, oh, it's not too bad actually. Alright, so getting it in there was not that bad after all. Now I gotta zip it up quick because a horsefly has already found his way in. Just in that brief time of opening the door, so I'll have to try and capture him later. Now this is, I put this widthwise because I wanted to have plenty of room to still sit here in the camp chair in case it does rain and still be dry. So there I go. I got my camp chair, I got my tent, I got my mattress. Now all I need is my sleeping bag and a pillow up in the van, and I'll be good to camp tonight. So this is it. First trial of the tent and of the tent platform. See you at sunset.